So today we will discuss a few questions from chapter 3rd of 10th science, that is metals and non-metals. So question number 1 is, which of the following is the best conductor of electricity? So it is silver. Option number D is correct one. Silver is the best conductor of electricity, which is followed by copper and gold. Next is, which metal is liquid at room temperature? So mercury is liquid at room temperature. It is the only metal which remains liquid at room temperature. Next is, which of the following is a non-metal that is good conductor of electricity? So it is graphite of carbon. Option number B is correct one. Graphite, which is allotrope of carbon, it has free electrons that allow it to conduct the electricity. Next one, which metal is soft enough to be cut with a knife? So it is sodium. Sodium is so much soft that it can be cut with a knife along with potassium. Next is, which of the following metal react with water at room temperature? So it is sodium again. Option number C. Sodium reacts vigorously with water to form sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Which gas is released when metal react with acid? So hydrogen is released when metal react with acids. Next one. Which of the following metal does not react with dilute hydrochloric acid? So copper. Option number C. Copper, silver and gold do not react with acids because they are less reactive than hydrogen. The reactivity of metal is arranged in a series called reactivity series. The reactivity series arranges metal in decreasing order of their reactivity. Potassium tops the series. Next, which of the following non-metal is most reactive? So fluorine, it is non-metal which is most reactive. So out of the given option, fluorine, option number C is correct one. Rusting of iron occurs due to the presence of, so it is due to the air and moisture, or oxygen and moisture, option number B. So whenever iron reacts with oxygen and water, it results in formation of a complex or compound called rust, Fe2O3 XX H2O. It is called rust. Next is, which of the following methods prevent rusting? So painting, galvanization, oiling, all of the above. Option number D is correct one. The process of coating iron with zinc to prevent rusting is called galvanization. Galvanization is a process which involves coating of iron with zinc metal to prevent the rusting. The first step in extraction of metal from ore is called concentration of ore. Option number C is correct one. The process of heating an ore in the absence of oxygen is called calcination, whereas roasting is done in the excess of oxygen. Aluminium is extracted from which ore? So it is bauxite. Option number A. Bauxite is an important ore of aluminium. Which of the following is an alloy of iron? So steel. Option number C. Steel is alloy of iron and carbon. Which non-metal is used to disinfect drinking water? So it is chlorine. Option number B. So chlorine, which is a non-metal, is used to disinfect the water or purify the water. Which metal is used in thermometers? So it is easy one. Mercury is used in thermometers to measure the temperature. Hg is the symbol of mercury. Which of the following metal is most malleable? So what is malleable? Means the property of a metal by which it can be beaten into extremely thin sheets is called malleability. So out of given option, gold, it is most malleable metal and can be beaten into extremely thin sheets. Next is, which non-metal is used in the manufacture of matchsticks? So it is phosphorus. The property of metals to be drawn into thin wire is called ductility. Option B. Which of the following metal oxide is amphoteric? Option number C, zinc oxide. It is the example of amphoteric oxide. What are amphoteric oxide? Which can react with both acid and bases. Which of the following metal will displace copper from copper sulfate solution? So it is zinc, option number C. Zinc is more reactive than copper and can displace it from copper sulfate solution. Which metal is most reactive in the reactivity series? So it is potassium. The process of removing impurities from an ore is called concentration, option number D. So concentration of ore removes unwanted impurities which are known as gangue. Which of the following method is used for refining metals? So it is electrolysis, option number A. Bronze is an alloy of, so it is alloy of copper and tin, option number B is correct one. Solder is an alloy of lead and tin, option number B. Which non-metal is used in manufacture of fertilizers? So it is phosphorus, option number B. It is also used to making the matchstick head. The non-metal essential for respiration, it is oxygen. So we inspire oxygen gas. Roasting is a process used for sulfide ores, option number B. Roasting is used to sulfide ores where they are heated in the presence of oxygen to convert them into oxides. Calcination is the process of heating carbonate ores in the absence of air. Option number B is correct one. Which of the following ore is concentrated using roasting? Zinc sulfide, option number B. Which metal react with water at room temperature? So it is sodium, option number B. Which of the following metal react with both acid and bases? Zinc, and form zinc oxide, which is amphoteric in nature. The chief ore of aluminium is bauxite, option number A is correct one. This is the formula of bauxite. The metal extracted from hematite means hematite is the ore of iron, option number B. Which of the following ore contains lead? So galena, option number A. Galena is an important ore of lead. Copper is mainly extracted from which ore? So it is malachite green, option number C. It is an ore of copper. Zinc is extracted from which ore? So it is extracted from zinc blende, option number A is correct one. Which property of metals makes them suitable for making electrical wires? So it is ductility, by which they can be converted into thin long wires. Which of the following metal is not a good conductor of electricity? So lead, option number D. Which metal has highest thermal conductivity? Silver, option number B. Which non-metal is liquid at room temperature? So it is bromine, option number C. Which non-metal exists in different allotropic forms like graphite and diamond? It is carbon. These are the allotropic forms of carbon. Stainless steel is alloy of, so it is alloy of iron, chromium and nickel. Brass is alloy of copper and zinc. Option number B is correct one. Bronze is alloy of copper and tin. Option number B. Solder is alloy of lead and tin. Option number B. Which metal is present in amalgam? Means amalgam is an ore of mercury. Which method is used to prevent iron from rusting? Painting, galvanization, alloying, all of these. Option number D is correct one. Which metal is used for galvanization? Zinc. The reddish brown layer formed on iron due to corrosion is called rust. Option number A with formula Fe2O3 X H2O